head-on collision leads ultimately to a surgery. Find out the results of that case here. All right. Hey, I'm Shane Smith here today with John Mobley from our office. We want to talk about one of his recent client victories where he settled JR's case. So John, tell us about JR's case. How did the accident occur? What started this all off?
So JR was a young client who was unfortunately pretty seriously injured after the client was T-boned at about 30 miles per hour. The defendant in this case failed to yield the right of way. So really it was kind of chalked up to being inattentiveness on the defendant driver's part.
So T-bones are pretty, I want to say serious, but pretty violent collisions usually because it comes right from the side. How was the damage to this vehicle overall?
It was pretty significant. Definitely caused some structural damage to the vehicle. Not a mere fender bender. It was some serious damage and it resulted in serious injuries.
What happened to JR at the scene? Did they immediately know it was a serious case?
Yes, they did. By virtue of the severity of the impact, it was treated very seriously from the beginning, which can be a good thing for our clients sometimes when they receive immediate care versus the injuries getting worse and worse, and then they have to go to the ER days and days later.
Yeah. So what did they initially diagnose him as having?
So the client had some severe injuries to her spine. And initially it was going to be a lot of, we thought maybe soft tissue injuries. Maybe she had escaped some of the more serious injuries we see. However, as the case progressed, we realized that pain was simply not going away. And when that happens, we have to, escalate care, get specialists involved, get some more advanced diagnostics and some more escalated treatment as well. Usually that comes in the form of injections.
Right. Ultimately, I'm going to assume this client needed an MRI and needed some injections. Did that take care of the problem?
That is correct. And the injections helped. However, they did not fully resolve JR's pain. So once we gave it a long time to see if those pain levels would come back down to a 0 or 1 or something tolerable, because, surgery is a big decision in anyone's life. So we always try and see if it will just go away and let medicine do its thing. In this case, unfortunately, the client was not getting better. And at that point, the specialists came in and they said, we want to do a more invasive surgery. And the client just being in constant, daily pain, not being able to focus, spend time with her family, her kids, decided that was the correct path forward.
Okay. And how did she recover after the surgery?
After the surgery, which was a rhizotomy, the pain levels went from a high 7-8 down to a more tolerable range. So we were very happy to see that pain levels became something that she could deal with and be constantly improving. Surgeries are never 100%, but they can get you back to where you need to be to resume normalcy in your life. And that's what this client achieved with a great surgery result.
Did she think she was going to get, it sounds like she got back to normal, taking care of her kids and her family, doing all the things moms need to do. Is that pretty accurate after the surgery?
That is accurate. And we are very happy that was the case.
Yeah, that sounds wonderful. It sounds like it was the right choice for her. After the surgery, we were able to get things resolved with the insurance company?
Yes, we were. We didn't expect this one to go to litigation just because we're dealing with a young client, serious injury, tons of exposure to the insurance company. If they wanted to mess around on this one or be greedy or hold back the money that JR was due, we were going to file a lawsuit immediately on this one. I think by virtue of us doing a great job on the front end, collecting documents, putting together a very strong demand package, the insurance company got a clear picture of the extent of the injuries and what was going on really quickly. And they tendered very, very quickly. It only took about 5 days.
Wow. So that is fabulous. How did JR feel about the overall result of the case?
Obviously ecstatic to have a good surgery result and to get an immediate resolution without having to litigation or draw it on any further. She was ready to get her life back, and I think we achieved that here.
No, it sounds like she made the right call in getting you as her lawyer and getting the surgery, and then you guys were able to get a great result for her. So sounds like a wonderful job, John. Anything else you would want to say about JR's case?
No, we were just very happy that the client followed our advice and guidance on collecting certain documents, getting us thing to maximize her recovery. And JR did a great job of getting us everything throughout the case. And, it really showed at the end when we got a quick tender after only 5 days.
It is interesting. Like you say, it sounds like she did what she needed to do to get the documents and follow go to her doctor's appointments and do everything they said to do. It's just unfortunate. She still had to get a surgery, but she did. And you guys got a great result and a great tender. So thanks, John. Sounds like a wonderful case for JR.
Absolutely. Thank you, Shane.
Hit like and subscribe down below for more client victories from Shane's Law. Remember, if you're in pain, call Shane, 980-999-9999.
In pain, call Shane.
980-999-9999. 980-999-9999. Shane Smith Law. In pain, call Shane.